Hello, everyone, and welcome back for I think our final session in this setup process for your domain name. In this session, we're going to cover how you get your domain name server set up on GoDaddy. And let's quickly go over what we've done so far in this process. First step was to go to GoDaddy, establish an account, and request or search for a domain name. And you either chose your name, or you chose who is your name, or you chose something else that really fits what you want to do with your business. From there, we went to set up HostGator. In HostGator, we put that same domain name in. We set up the account, and we set up hosting service, a business service, I suspect. And when we did that, we paid for that, and we came back with an email to verify that everything went okay. And I have here a copy of an email that comes back from HostGator, and you can see here that we have the information about your server, and you'll also have here, what I am highlighting, you have the name of your servers, which we need to now go back into GoDaddy and place that name in. But before we go there, there's some things that this is going to take some time to do for them to propagate this information across the internet. So in the interim, while you're waiting for that to happen, you can go to these sites that you see here. Work with cPanel, Control Panel, which is what we use to control what happens in HostGator, to request things to happen. It's an application. And also go and view this HostGator.com. You can see your domain servers and your website by going after that name. Also, I'd like for you to read this Getting Started HTML or Getting Started document that's created by HostGator. It could give you some insights as to what to do. Don't go pay for anything. I'm not sure whether you have to pay for this site builder and support. You get for free if you want to ask questions. There's a knowledge database. You can go search around in there, but don't go buy anything that you don't want to use. Most of the stuff we've got here we get for free, and or I'll tell you it costs something, and we usually came up with better products than what you would be getting here. So that, having said all that, let's go get into go get into the GoDaddy and get this set up. So first thing is, we'll get a new browser page, and we'll go to godaddy.com. Okay, here we are at the main screen in GoDaddy. Maybe by now you'll see that your name shows up automatically if your browser lets you plug in this stuff automatically. And where we want to go is right here, My Account. You'll see this tab for My Account. Click on that, and that will bring up your server names, the servers you got. If you got more than just 5, you click on here and view all of them. As you can see, Sherry and I have been in for a little while. We've got all kinds of server names, but let's click on this partnerwiththepetties.com. So you click on the domain name, and up pops a page that gives you domain information, domain enhancements, related products if you got any. And down below you'll see that it also gives you server names. Now you can click manage there. I prefer to go up here in the toolbar and click on the name server, which probably gets you to the same place as the other. And your pop-up page will come up, and it'll give you options up here on how you want to do it. Yours will probably say I want to park my domain or something like that, to that effect, that they've already got, or I have a hosting account for these domains. What you want to do is you want to click on I have specific name servers for my domains. And those are the names that we saw over in the email that you want to type into these 2 name server positions. You have to type in at least 2. Make sure you type them in the order in which you got them, and that will identify your domains to the internet and where they're being hosted from. And that's it. Everything should be set up now. So again, go review that stuff. Next video we probably will see is setting up your databases with HostGator, and then or at least establishing your databases with HostGator, and then uploading WordPress and going through WordPress, which is going to set up your blogs and your domain and that type of stuff for you. So go do some research, have some good time doing it, and we'll talk to you when we get the next video out there. Bye now.